Good afternoon. This is Mayor Turner. I just wanted to go over the daily numbers with you. Starting with Amarillo. Amarillo has 275 cases. Lubbock has 445 cases. Abilene has 114. San Angelo still is 41. Wichita Falls is 60. Our friends over in Midland jumped up to 64. As of today, we have 61 confirmed cases. We have 937 tests that were negative. We have 180 that are pending results for a total of 1,178 tests. We still have 4 deaths, and we have 28 people who have recovered. Just to refresh your memory, they don't say they're actually recovered until they've had 10 days symptom-free. So that's part of why that number doesn't go up very fast, but we do have people that are getting better. Right now, Medical Center has 4 people in the hospital. They have 9 under investigation, which means, from what they say, symptomatically they have all the symptoms and they are waiting for the test. And Medical Center has 88 tests that are still out, and we are waiting for the results. Great news on the Madison nursing home. Medical Center did 165 tests for Madison. They've got 155 back negative, which is fantastic. So ORMC does not have anybody in the hospital right now with coronavirus. They have nobody under investigation, and they do have 2 pending tests. They tested 98 tests out of Madison. They had 59 negative. And great news, they have already tested 4 with the new machines that give you the rapid answers. So 1 machine is up there and running. They should be getting the 2nd machine up and running along with Medical Center. These are fantastic because you get your results in less than 2 hours. And instead of, like when we send it off with the state usually takes 5 to 7 days. So that person doesn't know. They have to be quarantined and things like that. And especially with first responders, our nurses, and those that are in very short supply, it's a great way to give them the test, make sure everything's okay, and get them back so that they can go back to work. I want to talk a little bit about what's been going on with the other mayors. We're in the process of finishing up a business plan to start to move the community towards opening up again. It is still in the works. I've been on the phone with 4 mayors so far today. I'm working with Mayor Nelson out of Amarillo currently. And so hopefully tomorrow I would be able to give you some more details about how we are going to move on and start to open up everything as a community again. Let me just say, when we open up the community again, it may not be exactly like you remember it. I am going to sign a declaration tomorrow that says we strongly recommend everyone wearing masks. We will watch that. If a recommendation is all it's going to take to make sure it gets done, we will do that. But we are also going to visit with our retailers, and sorry about that, internet. They will have the option of not allowing you to go into their store if you are not wearing a face covering. The face covering is to protect everyone around you. If you cough, those little bitty water droplets that go out of your mouth when you cough, that's where coronavirus is. So by wearing a mask, you're catching that, and you're not going to get anybody else sick. Don't have a lot for you today, but I do want to show you one of the charts that I've been watching. This chart right here, and I apologize, it's back up. This is when we first started testing for coronavirus. As you can tell, it's starting to slow down. The numbers that are positive. Doesn't mean we can relax. It means that we are starting to get a little bit of a negative trend. We do still have out some quite a few tests, so we're hoping that those continue to come back in negative, because like I've told you the entire time, you decide how our community is going to open up. If we have people that are going out that are ill, If we have people that are not being careful and more people are getting sick, that means it's going to be longer before we can open up. So I want to talk and just thank a couple of people real quick. All of our retailers, all those at Walmart, HEBs, at Lowe's, Home Depot, at Lowe's there. Thank you for what you're doing. And thank you for being out on the front lines and keeping the grocery stores going, keeping the home improvement stores going, and all of those that are out there. Just thank you very much. Please continue to social distance. Also, make sure if you touch your face, you only touch your face with a clean hand. If you touch anything, please use sanitizer. And if you're sick, please stay home. If your throat hurts, if your nose is running, if you're coughing, if you're short of breath, please quarantine yourself just to make sure you're not passing anything around. Also, being in with your family for quite a while, sometimes there are things that are stirred up. One place that I just do want to mention is Safe Place. It is a place for any women that are under abuse or anything like that. It's a place to go to be protected. And I just want to give out this phone number just in case someone needs it. The number is 432-570-1465. And that is Safe Place. The number is 432-570-1465. Please, everyone, stay safe. Just God bless Odessa. God bless each and every one of you. God bless Texas. And God bless the United States. Thank you very much, and I will talk to you tomorrow.